Morning students, today we are going to discuss here few questions are there of the NCRT and text questions are there. Okay, let's start these questions one by one. Number one is here 11.4 that show that how the following alcohols are prepared by the suitable use of Grignard reagent on the methanol. Okay beta, now what is the formula of methanol? Please see HCO. H is the methanol. Okay, then after that beta, what they are using? Now they have told us to prepare this one. ये वाला prepare करना है हमने. अब इसके लिए यूजली व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्रिग्नार्ड reagent? That is we are writing RMgx, but here the value of the R, ये वाली जो वैल्यू है R की वैल्यू, R value will be according to this one, according to this one. Is that clear? Are you getting my point? So therefore here when we are writing the value of R, okay, then what we are going to write over there? Okay, you see please all of you, at the place of R it will be CH3, then CH3, then CH3, then MgBr. Okay, once again I am writing it in a proper way. What I am telling to you, the formula of the Grignard reagent here, CH3, then CH3, then MgBr. Now in this case I think everybody is knowing one thing, that this alkyl group R group is always a negative and Mg is always a positive. Okay, here C is positive, O is negative. Then what will be the product over there? ठीक है, in the presence of dry ether I am making the product over here. This is in the presence of dry ether. Then what I will going to write over there, you all can see there. See the carbon, hydrogen, two hydrogen I have written there. कौन से बेटा, ये वाला hydrogen and this one hydrogen I have written there. Now oxygen was the negatively charged, so with the oxygen what will be there? OMgBr. And C was the positive charge, उसके साथ क्या लगेगा? CH3, CH3, and here also CH3. Clear? Now after that after doing this one we have to do the hydrolysis, as you know very well. And whenever we are doing the hydrolysis, suppose I am rubbing this one and I hope you have written this one. Now I am going to make the product over here after the hydrolysis. And whenever we are doing the hydrolysis, then after the hydrolysis what we are going to make over there, you must see all of you. After the hydrolysis in the presence of H2O and the H positive, I think you know very well MgOHBr will be as a side product. Okay, MgOHBr will be as a side product. Then what is left over there? Okay, see CH3, then CH3 means CH3, then CH3, then CH2OH. Is that clear बेटा? और मेरी बात समझ लग रही है आपको? देखो ये वाला CH3, CH3, ये CH2. Okay, and from where this OH came? From the water, and plus MgOHBr. What we have formed? alcohol we have formed what they have told us. Clear? Now after that we are having a second part beta. Which part is there? We are having a second part, that what they have written now. They have written CH2OH. What they have written? CH2OH along with the cyclohexane ring. लेकिन यहाँ पर हमारे पास मिथेनल ही है, HCOH. But now at the place of R, what will be there beta? There will be cyclohexane. Along with that MgBr at the top. Okay, then after that what to do there beta? Same way, I think you are knowing very well, all of you. Here this ring, full ring will be negative, this Mg will be positive, this C is positive, O is negative. Then it will become cyclohexane ring. Then after that it's a carbon. Why carbon? Because this carbon is a positively charged. It will attach to this negatively charged C. Then H with oxygen, OMgBr. Then after that beta, do the hydrolysis again, NH positive. And now you know very well, after the hydrolysis what you will get? You will get there CH2OH. Okay, is that clear? So this is the question number 11.4 K. Both the parts we have done. Now you see 11.5 question. Which one is there? 11.5. Simply alkene is there, and alkene we have to do the hydrolysis. This reaction already we have done, and this can be done by the Markovnikov's rule. What is the reaction over there? CH3 CH double bond CH2, then in the presence of H2O and H positive. Beta ji, H2O can be written H positive and OH negative. Which rule we are going to do? Markovnikov's rule. H positive will come here, OH negative will come here. It will become CH3 CHOH, then CH3. Clear? Propane 2-ol product will be formed. After that you can see the second one. Yeah, second reaction is here after that. Okay, now in the second reaction simple reduction is here, because NaBH4 is called is used for the reduction. So just remember only beta ये आपके पास ester है. The keto group is there along directly with the ring. That will be changed. Okay, only that one will be changed. And what is the product over there? Here it will become OH. Rest of the things will remain same. CH2 है, then C double bond O CH3. That one will remain same. Clear? Now after that beta, we are having a number 3 is here. Now in number 3, what is here? CH3 CH2 CH3, then CHO. Again we have to do the reduction over there. CHO is here. CHO will change to the alcohol by adding the hydrogen. तो what ये रिएक्शन ऑलरेडी हम कर भी चुके हैं बेटा. CH3 CH2 CH3 and it become CH2OH. बेटा जिनको नहीं पता लगता वो देखो ध्यान से, C double bond OH is here. Okay, and when you are adding the H2 to this one, what is going to become over there? One H will come there, one H will come there, OH. That is why it is becoming CH2OH. I hope you understood my all the what reaction I have done over here. Okay, so we have completed this question 11.4 and 11.5. 5 in text unsolved question. Okay students, thank you very much to all.